setting up a LinkedIn profile that's optimized for business. Hey there, friends! Are you ready to start your LinkedIn marketing journey? Because we certainly are. If so, be prepared to fine-tune your LinkedIn marketing skills, starting with the basics. And it all starts by setting up and optimizing your LinkedIn business. The idea is to create a profile that makes it easier for you to build a presence and authority on the platform, and that helps decision makers in your industry to find you so they can learn more about your business. In this first lesson, we're going to show you how to properly set up and optimize your profile easily and quickly. So, are you ready? Yes? Then let's get started. Getting started. Start by joining LinkedIn. It is free, and if you haven't done so already, you'll simply have to visit linkedin.com. Once on the home page, click on the Join Now button. On the following page, enter your email, create a password, click on the Agree and Join button, and complete the registration steps as directed. This includes entering your first and last name, verifying you're not a bot, confirming your location, adding your recent job and company, and confirming your email address. You can skip through the rest of the configurations so you can complete them later on. Once you create an account, or if you already have one, you'll just need to sign in to continue to the next step. Setting up and optimizing your profile. All right, now it is time to set and optimize your profile. For this, click on the profile link you'll find in the left side column to go to your profile page. Once there, move over the intro column and click on the edit icon. Start by adding your first name and your last name. Then, add a headline below. Your headline could be a description of your current position, your current career, or the name of your company, or of your personal brand. Please note that because you are yet to create your company page at this point, we'll skip Add Current Position for now. So click on Add New Education instead. Here, you're going to add information about your past and current educational background. Here, we recommend that you only add the educational background that is more relevant to the audience that you are trying to reach. Add your info and click on Save. Then you're going to click on the Industry menu button to select your niche. You can also add your contact info by clicking on the Contact Info Edit button. This includes your website and your instant messenger address. You can also add your phone number and your office address. Click on Apply to save this info. Now you are going to click on the photo icon to upload your profile picture. After you upload your profile picture, click on the Edit button to upload your cover image. You can click on Save after you add all your intro info. And now that your profile intro is ready, there's additional information that you can add. First, click on the Add Profile Section menu button. Then click on the About tab, and then on the plus icon. Now you are going to add a summary of your brand, business, service, or product into the summary field. Then click on Save. There's a lot more information that you can add to your profile according to the information that you have at hand. For this, click on the Add Profile Section menu button. Other information you can add includes additional background, skills, accomplishments, and supported languages. Customizing your profile URL. The last optimization we'll do here is to customize your public profile URL. For this, click on the Edit Public Profile and URL link first. On the following page, move to the Edit Your Custom URL section and click on the Edit button. Now you are going to type your custom URL into the placeholder URL field. This URL can only contain letters and numbers, and it is case sensitive. You can click on the Save button when you are done customizing this URL. This will make your profile URL more attractive to other users, and will make it more searchable inside and outside of LinkedIn. And that's it, friends. Next up, we'll be showing you how to create a company page for your business, so stay tuned.